Hi students, today in this video we are going to discuss about express any number in P by Q form. Before classes we learned rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Now we discuss express 3.28 in the simplest form P by Q, where P and Q are integers but Q not equal 0. Solution: take 3.28, 2 digits after decimal point, 2 digits after decimal point. 328 by 100. Simplest form: 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 50 ja 100 equal 164 by 50. 2 8 ja, 2 2 ja, 82 2 ja 164, 2 25 ja 50 equal 82 by 25. Numerator and denominator are co-prime numbers. Next, another example: express 0.45 in the simplest form P by Q, where P and Q are integers but Q not equal 0. Take 0.45, 2 digits after decimal point, 45 by 100, 5 9 ja 45, 5 20 ja 100 equal 9 by 20. Is the simplest form. P by Q, Q not equal 0. This is a rational number. Okay students. Another example: express 2.225 in the simplest form P by Q, where P and Q are integers but Q not equal 0. Take 2.225, 3 digits after decimal point, 3 digits after decimal point. 2225 by 3 digits by 1000. Simplest form: 25 89 ja 2225, 25 40 ja 1000, 89 by 40. Numerator or denominator is co-prime numbers, not simplified. This 89 by 40 is form of P by Q. P equal to 89, Q equal 40. But Q not equal 0. This is a rational numbers. Another example: express 0.4 bar in the simplest form P by Q, where P and Q are integers but Q not equal 0. Take 0.4 bar. Bar means 4 digits repeating. Let x equal 0.4 bar equal 0.444 and so on. Bar means repeating number. Multiply both sides by one digit are repeating 10. Equation 1. 10 into x, 10 into 0.444 and so on. 10 into x, 10x equal decimal point multiplying the one digit right side move 4.444 and so on. Second equation. Subtraction. Equation 2 minus equation 1. 10x equal 4.444 and so on. Equation 1. X equal 0.444 and so on. Minus. 4 minus 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 4 minus 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 0 equal 4. Equal 10x minus x equal 9x. Equal x equal 4 by 9. Form of P by Q. P equal 4, Q equal 9. But Q not equal 0. This is a rational number. Another example, express 1.27 bar in the simplest form P by Q, where P and Q are integers but Q not equal 0. Take 1.27 bar. Let x equal 1.27 bar equal 1.2727 27 and so on. Equation 1. Multiplying both sides by 2 digits repeating. 2 and 7 are repeating. Multiplying both sides by 100. 100 into x equal 100 into 1.272727 and so on. 100 into x equal to 100x equal multiplying decimal point 2 digits right side move 1 2 digits 27 0.27 2727 and so on. Equation 2. Subtraction. Equation 2 minus equation 1. 100x equal 127.272727 and so on. Equation 1. X equal 1.27 27 27 and so on. Minus 100x minus x equal to 99x. 27 minus 27 equal 0. 127 minus 1 equal 126. Therefore, x equal 126 by 99. Simplest form 3 4 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 3 ja. X equal 42 by 33. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 3 11 ja, 33. X equal 14 by 11. form of P by Q. P equal 14, Q equal 11, but Q not equal 0. This is a rational number.